Hey guys, how you doing? It's Fred here. So, finished a shift today, and today was quite a good day. Right now in the hospital, we only have, in total, about 5 COVID patients on vents. So, I wasn't in those units today, but that's a significant shift. And so, once again, things seem to be going back to normal. But as always, what happens when things go back to normal, people get comfortable, they forget the lessons learned or should be learned from the chain of events that we just experienced. And so, once again, prevention oftentimes goes by the wayside. Feeling that it's not going to happen to me goes by the wayside until it does. So, my encouragement is do what you can while you can before you can. And one of the things that you can do is learn what you need to learn now about the most powerful form of improving your health, setting you up for prevention, as well as, if you do have certain issues, giving you the tools and principles to truly address your own health challenges. Start where it's comfortable for you, getting the information that you do need, so that way you can benefit from it now as well as in the future. Wish you all the best.